I will pull it all the way like a full guitar.